Hello friends, I am Sim and welcome to my YouTube channel Be Artistic with Sim. As all of you know that Holi festival is coming, so I am making a drawing on that topic. So let's get started. First of all, I am drawing a girl. I am drawing a girl playing with colors. She is having a bowl of color in her hands. So this is a bowl of color. Color stains on her arms, in her ears. Okay, now I am drawing a boy. First of all, I am drawing hair of boy. Okay, eyes, nose, color stain on his face. Now the ears, color stains on his hair. Pichkari in his hands. Okay, color stains on his pants. Now the color that is coming out of Pichkari, or you can say water gun. Okay, now I am drawing a bucket full of color. Done. Now the color which is floating in the air spread by the kids which forms the color clouds. I am showing here color clouds. Okay. These are color droplets. Small color droplets. Another color cloud. More droplets. Now here I am drawing the bowl of colors. One bowl and another. So our holi drawing is complete. Now I'll start coloring it. I'm using black pencil color in hair of girl. And in the hair of boy also. I'm using the same black pencil color. Light green pencil color in frock of girl. Purple color in boy's shirt and pink color in pant. Now I'm using skin color in their face, arms and legs. Now I'm using golden color in pichkari. And yellow color here. Yellow color stain in girls here, also in boys here. In this bowl I am showing yellow color. And in another bowl I am showing red color. Okay. And dark pink color here. Now red color. Boys here also. Now I'm using orange color here in her hair and here. And sky blue. Her face, ears, arms. Okay. Dark blue color in boys' shoes. Now we'll color the color clouds. I'm making this red color cloud using yellow color here. Now dark green color here. Now pink color here and purple color here. Okay, now all color clouds are done. Now we'll color in color droplets. Here I'm doing purple, pink, red here, now the yellow, now I am doing green color in color bowls and red color in color bucket. And here blue color in bucket. So friends, our beautiful holi drawing is complete. If you like my videos, please comment and share, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel Be Artistic with Sim. For more such interesting videos, stay tuned to my channel. Till then, keep watching, keep creating. Okay, bye bye.